As a beginner, you may still have questions regarding the metaverse, and trust me, I get it, this can be somewhat confusing to say the least. But to put it simply, the metaverse is the merging between normal computing and the internet, in which 3D avatars of users interact with each other just like human beings. Think of it like 3D virtual objects and digital humans that interact similar to how it is in real life, except with a more immersive sensory experience. If you stay until the end of this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about Metaverse Real Estate, such as how it's created, where you can buy it, and how it makes you money in the first place. But if you're new to the channel, we post videos every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Inside the metaverse, space is divided into virtual land segments, or parcels, that can be built for everyday use, which means that an individual or a company can build something on the land to attract users, such as concert venue, an office space, or even an art gallery. Buildings on the parcel can have features that make it livable, such as a pleasant view, collaboration tools, and entertainment systems. On the metaverse, anyone can purchase land in exchange for cryptocurrencies. The land is essentially called an NFT, which is a blockchain asset class that cannot be exchanged for other items. In other words, each NFT is unique and has its own value, and the NFT holder can keep it or sell it to another buyer for the same or a higher price. Land parcels work the exact same way, where users can purchase them through a metaverse marketplace, save them to their wallets, and develop or sell the land themselves. There has been much debate about the virtual land boom, primarily because something that is not tangible that you can touch does not qualify as land. An NFT that provides the holder with a digital proof of ownership over land on a metaverse platform is known as Metaverse Real Estate. In most cases, the land can be developed to create experiences that lend themselves to advertising, socializing, marketing, entertainment, and other activities. Each plot of land's value is determined by these factors, as well as overall market sentiment, collectability, and platform popularity. The metaverse and digital real estate are both linked to one another. However, as with many crypto trends, media coverage has been rare, and this concept has yet to be spread worldwide, which makes it the perfect opportunity for you to get in at its early stages. But before purchasing any digital land, it is critical to understand the concept of metaverse real estate, just as it is with any other investment. Metaverse real estate is easier to understand than purely artistic non-fungible tokens or NFTs, due to its obvious utility and use cases. Digital real estate may seem like an ironic statement to beginners in the metaverse because our brains have been accustomed to strictly attaching physical property to real estate only. But just because blockchain-based real estate in the metaverse is not physical does not mean it doesn't provide the same, or possibly even stronger, ownership rights over a plot of digital land. Also keep in mind that because NFTs are non-fungible, meaning each one is unique and can securely prove digital ownership, they function similarly to digital real estate property deeds. An NFT can be traded, bought, and sold based on its market value, which is determined by a variety of different factors, which I will discuss in a minute. But first, take a step back and think about the appeal of NFTs in general to better understand the allure of metaverse real estate. Technically speaking, NFTs offer reliable digital proof of ownership. In a world where it is all too simple to copy files without noticing any differences, this is extremely helpful. Now we must take collectability into account. For a variety of different reasons, collecting is a passion shared by all humans. Aside from entertainment and collectability, an NFT could offer real advantages like boosted utility in a game or platform. The investment potential of NFTs is another draw, which is why many people hold them speculatively. NFT prices have typically risen alongside risen market prices during bull markets. Due to the fact that they adhere to all of the standards I've mentioned in this video, many individuals buy metaverse real estate NFTs. Let's look at JP Morgan, for example, who has purchased land in Decentraland for all of its many uses. They can host virtual visitors and produce an immersive environment on their sandbox property. Metaverse real estate can help with marketing efforts, as it is a highly collectible pop culture item. It's unlikely that JP Morgan purchased land without intending to either sell it for a profit or increase its revenue by attracting new clients. The boundaries of the metaverse are the only restrictions I see on virtual space. As a result, it has enormous promise for our social and professional lives. This potential will be the future of long-term technology adoption beyond investment and trading. Metaverse real estate allows you to experience everything the metaverse has to offer. What you choose to do with it will depend on your platform, but the possibilities are virtually endless. So far, there have been a variety of different events that have taken place on plots of digital land, such as concerts, meetings, trade shows, art exhibits, and brand debuts. Because of this, Metaverse Real Estate is a crucial tool for marketing and socializing. Your Metaverse Real Estate might be a popular area with lots of digital foot traffic, making it suitable as advertising space. Staking benefits and other utilities also boost the value of the land. The specific Metaverse platform you're on will determine the value of your land. Some Metaverse platforms allow you a considerable degree of personalization, so you can build and plan your own space, events, and experiences. Examples include the Snoopverse, which famous celebrity and rapper Snoop Dogg created on the Sandbox, and Netflix's content on Decentraland. Buying a Metaverse property functions very similarly to buying an NFT. Your ownership deed is a special bit of code on a blockchain. This code confirms your ownership of or rights to that digital parcel. You will therefore need your own digital crypto wallet in order to begin building your portfolio of Metaverse properties. Before creating a new wallet, you might wish to look into the platforms that require particular cryptocurrencies for their transactions. After that, go to the online Metaverse portal and register for an account. To purchase land and other assets, you must link your digital wallet to the site. Select a piece of land, then click Buy. Similar to real-world real estate, you can buy Metaverse land through brokers and property managers. However, unlike in the real world, Metaverse brokers are unregulated and do not require licenses, so make sure you do business with trustworthy parties. Just like properties in the real world, location plays a major factor in choosing a virtual land in the Metaverse. Parcels in the Sandbox and Decentraland continue to increase in value as big brands like Atari, Samsung, Miller Lite, and Rolex stake their claim on these virtual worlds. Many early buyers of lots close to them or within the vicinity have raked in massive income from their investments. If you plan on investing in Metaverse real estate, look for areas that have the potential for development. Places where people can potentially socialize will be more valuable than those in nondescript areas. Consider plots of land nearby, not within developed districts. You can score these properties at relatively lower prices, build upon them, and wait for prices to rise. Although the Metaverse is predicted to expand significantly over the coming years, it is still a young field that is far from being stable. One reason is that all of your land and assets on a Metaverse platform vanish if it goes permanently down. The issue of valuation is another one. How to value a piece of land with artificial scarcity and an unknown future value is persistent confusion. It is also subject to how the currency of your land works. The value will be based not only on scarcity but also on the stability of the token of your Metaverse land. Metaverse land is vulnerable to fluctuating situations since its value depends on extremely volatile cryptocurrencies, which we've experienced in the last couple of years. Investing in Metaverse properties is highly speculative and not at all predictable because of the numerous unknowns. So to say there are significant risks would be an understatement. You can quickly lose all of your investments in the virtual world. However, the quick transition to full digitalization in almost all businesses has the potential to produce significant returns on investment in Metaverse real estate. Learn all you can about the Metaverse before making any financial decisions. Recognize all the dangers and difficulties and balance them against the potential advantages. Your choice should only be made after you have carefully considered all the advantages and disadvantages. Now, if you still have questions about buying digital real estate or making money in the Metaverse, watch this next video where I'll explain step by step how to get started. If you found any of this helpful, hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so it can be spread to more people. So click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.